Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sikukune 3. I'm joined by Kila Walikosi.
Awe Sibo.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Sibo, mawukhuluma lana ngikuza uthi welcome to ama-fans wethu TV.
Yeah.
What is Sikukune 3?
Yeah.
What Kaizer Chiefs 1?
Yeah.
From today Sibo mele uchange ungasathi welcome to ama-fans wethu TV. Welcome to Skotane TV.
Skotane TV.
Yeah, sibona bomndawo bagugile ekhadi bacala kuba yikhotane. You understand? Bazokhotha abantu bathe bagcoka ama-tracksuit or amasuit wemalini. Baqinisile bathi don't jump a step. Mangabe yakhula mawufika ku teenager stage mele usattend leso stage. Yeah. Mawufika la mele ugake khona or njengengane mele ukwenze kanjalo. Yeah, ngoba wa jump stage uzabe sikhothane njengomndawo.
At 50.
Yeah. Uzabe isikhothane babomndawo. Congratulations babomndawo kuba isikhothane. Nedi into enye like into engathi ithe ukuthi inokuthi bese iyathelelela ebantwaneni yabo so mayithelele ebantwaneni guys ngibone nalomfana lona uLondon emfethu uthula kancane ngiRussell yeah ngoba manje so yarasa ngisa understand ukuthi izikhimpani yeah yabona ngabona uLondon naye so yaclaim manje ukukhipha isicathulo lana athi ngicaleni phansi phezulu guys bathi indlela ibuzwa kwaba phambili so yena usuke wabheka umndawo kanti uthatha nendlela errong ngamuzwa seka machine nezinto ezirong guys lana asize ngakuzozichomelana la is not ikhothane guys anekeleni ukhothana la ekelana ukhothana manifuna ukuba ikhothane zikhona lapha eTV sigcoka le impahla zakhona ezinamakhala colors not la yeah but enye into engifuna ukuyisho Sibo namuhla iKaizer Chiefs idlalile although sibe nebhad ukuthi sishaye Sibo yeah I'm disappointed Sibo but I'm not disappointed ngoba siluzile. I'm disappointed ngama supporter weKaizer Chiefs. Ama supporter weKaizer Chiefs anga understand ukuthi acabanga kanjani Sibo. Sibo first lose kule league le. You understand? First lose and Phosela izinto stadium. Why in Phosela izinto stadium? Khona abantu the time sidliwa kakhulu Sibo kunzima kakhulu bebasivalele ezindlini bangaphumeli ngaphandle. Manje babone ilentuzana ama win 4 ne draw 1 in a row. You understand? Bacala ukuphuma beze stadium. Mabafika la stadium benza lezi zinto abayijwayele. You understand? If we support a team noma ngabanzima kanjani kumele kube khona akekho umuntu onganama mistake sonke sinawo ama mistakes akekho umuntu always right like maybe nabo uma bake badlala ibhola i-team yakhe lebe kayidlalela lo muntu loyo namuhla support ayikaze yawina wonke ama game ingadliwa. You understand? So why namuhla masidliwe kumele siphosele izinto stadium. Kaizer Chiefs yenze kahle kakhulu yasayina ama player amaningi. You understand? Ngoba ifuna ukujabulisa abalandeli. So nathi as abalandeli mele sijabulise ama player wethu. Sekele izinto zokuthi siphosele izinto e-stadium. Ngoba egcineni bazogcina basibhene ukuthi singeze e-stadium. Thina abanye sagula manje singeze e-stadium. You understand? So wena ozakayi1 uzophosela izinto la cabanga nje bese bangibhena basibhena 5 asithi 5 games. Soba yini ngoba sokula mfethu indoda sikula even noma singagcoka impahla zeKaizer Chiefs. And enye into ngifuna ukuthi uJessica kuyangilalele kayi1 ngimtshelile ngathi sicela senze lama under sesikhathele man
Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, next season Jessica please maba implementa ilentuzana
awusafuna ijoki
sifuna ama-under we-Kaizer Chiefs, kungaba ama-joke, kungaba ama-beef, ama-G-string or abe yini, but kube we-Kaizer Chiefs. Ndoda, angithi khona ama-supporter abantu besimama. Yes, iyafuneka. Yes. Lalela. No, mele asilalela uJessica ukuthi sidingane. Kahle bheka Sithibo. Thina angeke ngithi sibe ikhothane ngento engekho. Angithi sisupportwa iKapa ne? iKapa ngithi. Bheka. iKapa le. Angithi.
Esithibo cabanga seyifaka ukwinda.
Tata.
iChiefs le. iKapa le. iChiefs le. Into mele sichome ngazo. Not ukuthi masocala ukuba i-celebrity nyana then sohlala kuma VIP bese uzizela nensuthu lana. Ayena. Ayisinjalo. Yabo, ayikho grand. Mangabe uyi-celeb iza ugcoke kahle. Manginjena mfethu, ngi-welcome lapha kule ntuzana. Yabo. Mara guys bangathi
The most dangerous number.
Hey, BK, I will kill you.
Ikinga naye umngane wami ngathi uyi-G-string la ebusweni. Mkwenda. Ngathi uyi-G-string la ebusweni mara kunaki. Mara guys, okay. No, BK, I was bad. But anyway, isikhathi Sithibo. Anyway, Sithibo. Anyway, Sithibo, ngifuna ukuthi kulabantu laba abathi uNabi wenze wrong ngoba adliwe guys. uNabi ucoach welentuzana we-Chiefs and thina as ama-supporter we-Kaizer Chiefs kumele supporte i-Chiefs. You understand? uNabi ama-mistake wakhe mangabe akhona wenzile uwabonile uzoya ku-drawing board ahlale phansi alungise ama-mistake. So thina as ama-supporter guys asekeleni lento yokuthi sizenza abo-coach. We are not a coaches guys. Thina singama-supporter. Supporteni abafana badlale kahle. Ndoda ubonile ulo muntu wesikhukhune lo before kuzolentuzana nothi wenzeni ukhiphe something good love wathela lapha epaleni. So ezinye zezinto zasebenza ezinye azisebenzi but sidliwe guys. Angeke sihlale siwina njalo. Angeke sikhale ngo-referee ngoba sidliwe namuhla sikhale ngemithi or kanjani. Sidliwe guys mele si-accept ukuthi sidliwe but ile man of the match anganikeza ucoach wele wesikhukhune mfana kithi ngoba since uyastrapha like akasinikanga ukuthi hayi manga checka nje ama stats hayi le out yashaya mfethu uyashaya yona singayithathela phansi mara la iyakhona mfethu mayidibana ithela induku nebhakanile lamasi namuhla bakhohliwe bahleka nje but asinankinga.